We have set the variable length to 50. What will happen when you click Run? The artist will draw a triangle with 50 pixel sides. The artist will draw a 50-sided polygon with 3 pixel sides. The artist will draw 3 open sides with 50-degree turns. The computer will prompt the user for a number.